Hello, welcome, Barry from Quicksilver Exhaust for another fascinating video on Range Rovers and how to make them sound a lot better. Well, it's with a Quicksilver exhaust. It's short and simple, but we're going into a little bit more detail. We're just about to hear this with the stock system on it, and then we're going to take that off, get rid of it, and put a Quicksilver system on it. Brand new release, stainless steel, uses our Sound Architect valve technology, so you can control it with your mobile phone, inside, outside the vehicle. It just sounds, well, it's a sound that really should suit the look of this car. And talking of looks, this is quite an incredible looking one. As I said, brand new Range Rover P530. This has been wrapped in this lovely satin metallic green. And yeah, we're going to see what it sounds like. So that's a factory system, pretty disappointing. We're going to do our little thing now, and we'll see on the other side. It's going to sound a lot better. Okay, car's on the ramp with the OEM system on it. Just want to quickly show you why it's so quiet, and so many people like yourselves are really not very happy with it. That is an absolutely ginormous rear silencer, which basically just sucks up and basically loses all the potential sound from the fabulous engine out the front. You also have very squished and flattened pipes here. That affects the sound a bit, but it doesn't really help performance at all. And at the front, a little bit more necking there. And also at the front is Ben, and he's doing the work of taking it off. Hi Ben.
How are we doing?
Yeah, pretty good.
This monstrosity of a beast.
Yeah,
exactly. We're getting rid of this valve here.
So that's OEM valve control.
OEM valve control. It's awful. It does nothing. It's only on one side.
Yes,
I think it's mainly.
We mentioned that. It's a rubbish
strange
design.
I think it's mainly for emissions.
Yeah.
Doesn't do
or
anything.
save money.
Yeah. And it's naff. So we get rid of that.
Cool. Yeah.
Put in our own one, which gives you full control of the functionality. Fully open, fully shut.
Yeah.
Night and day, really. With the valves open, it's a straight pipe, and the valve shut, you get a big rear transverse silencer, which takes loads of the sound out. So
yeah,
happy days.
All right. Well, I'll either sort of do some footage and speed Ben up to get him working quicker, or maybe do some slow-mo shots to make him look really cool. The guys behind me, Ben, and a new face on the channel, that's George. Say hi, George. Hello. Are just doing the final multiple bolt fit up for the under tray. This is our system, which obviously is our system, is on the back of the car now. It has, as we said, a much smaller but mirror finished transverse silencer, which is just about visible from the rear of the car, so a little bit of bling there. We have valve control on both sides instead of the single side that the OEM system has, and these clever guys in front of me have plumbed that in through the boot, and its power source is the 12-volt socket that sits up there. Cool. Riding in the new Range Rover P530 with Ben to my right and George to my left, which I think is opposites on the screen, I don't know. And this is with valves open, is that right, Ben?
Yeah, valves open.
So Quicksilver system installed.
Yeah, and it's still super tame with the valve open, realistically. It gives you quite a bit more drama than the OE system, but it's not at all intrusive. And then if you want it whisper quiet, you can just shut the valve and it's back to basically OE again.
Yeah.
So you get best of both worlds, really.
From the back, I can hear it. It sounds pretty sporty, but it doesn't really interfere with conversation.
No, exactly. Put it into manual mode, drop a couple of gears. There's a bit more drama there, but it suits the characteristic of the car. It's not supposed to be a crazy sports car.
Yeah.
Even though it's a powerful car, but it just gives you what it should have been OE, really, because then you bought the 4.4 litre V8 for a reason.
Yeah, to hear it.
Yeah,
or
absolutely.
To get noticed for it.
Yeah.
This is valves open.
Valves open, and I think you could probably live with it.
Yeah.
The whole time with the valves open.
Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
And they're completely mute as standard, so it's where it wants to be, I think.
Do you like it, George? I do indeed. It's very smart. Yeah.
Happy days.
Love it. Alright, we'll see what it sounds like on the outside of the car now. If I can. So there you go, the brand new Quicksilver Sound Architect sports exhaust system for your Range Rover P530. A sports system that distinguishes your Range Rover from all others, gets it noticed and gives it a nice robust sporty sound with the valves open and a very civilised tone with the valves shut. Contact us for any more information, click the links below, subscribe and hit the bell for more content from us, and we will see you on the next one.